Springfield wakes to rumors of Sideshow Bob's return, sneering, plotting beneath a pale dawn today. Bart hears the chatter, channeling mischief, already envisioning a trap before the alarm clock rings. Krusty the Clown returns, barely awake, calculating a live rescue plot for publicity tonight somehow. Homer stokes the kettle, declaring donuts and danger as the town reacts with chaos everywhere. Marge moderates the chaos, organizing a town hall meeting at the Preschool Plaza this evening. Bart and Lisa craft a plan, cycling through Moe's and Kwik-E-Mart for clues about Bob. Chief Wiggum misreads a ransom note, accidentally calling a donut dropper rescue demonstration downtown. Sideshow Bob escapes in a barber shop, where Snake offers suspicious blades and whispers menacingly. Krusty's plan pivots, we stage a rescue heist during the annual Springfield Fair tonight anyway. Homer volunteers as decoy, tripping over banners, causing slapstick misfires and celebratory chaos all around. Lisa visits Superintendent Chalmers to request permits for a makeshift rescue obstacle course in town. Marge invites Reverend Lovejoy to bless the rickety plan with good intentions before the parade. Sideshow Bob rehearses a villainous speech, tripping on a stage light, obtaining clattering dignity again. Springfield Square fills, townspeople applaud, boo, chant, then suddenly freeze for a gag at dawn. Bart sneaks behind Bob, triggered by a sneeze from Agnes Skinner, doubling the trap unexpectedly. Krusty narrates grimly, then breaks the fourth wall with a cartoonish wink and winked eyes. Homer discovers a secret stash of donuts beneath Krusty Burger's sizzling grill, resisting temptation valiantly. Chief Wiggum accidentally arrests Principal Skinner after confusing a marching band with criminals at parade. Sideshow Bob taunts, but a piano drops, reminiscent of old episodes, causing chaos blessing everywhere. Lisa activates a public service message, explaining safety protocols and empowering kids to observe calmly. A green-striped balloon bursts, sending Bob slipping, Bart catching him, turning enemy momentarily tentative ally. Mr. Burns appears, offering a reward for Bob's capture, but secretly worried about theatrical losses. Ned Flanders rallies the congregation, building a rescue float and prayers for Bob's defeat tonight. APU resupplies Krusty's crew, while Bumblebee Man films a parallel saving the day montage for the audience. Acting as a team, Springfield residents stage a synchronized chase through the plaza during dusk. Sideshow Bob attempts a final escape by elevator shaft, only to collide with Krusty's props. The rescue culminates as Bart and Krusty synchronize leaps, catching Bob in a giant net. Springfield cheers, Mayor Quimby declares Unity Day, crowning Lisa for calming the crowd at last. Resolution shows family gathering at Simpson's home, reflecting on forgiveness, resilience, and ridiculousness together again. Final tableau, chalkboard gags echo, Carl and Lenny laugh, and Sideshow Bob whispers revenge, fade.